Maddie and Lucas worked on this problem, and they solved the jet coaster. So here's their work. They showed their work. They have the different calculations that they solved, and they have their answers organized here. And here's some more. What did you use here, guys, to solve this? What kind of stuff what were you doing?
He made a table. Lucas made a table.
Lucas made a table, okay. So how did you find your answer? What kind of steps did you have to do to find your answer?
Every time on the super looper, we would subtract 8 because it could hold 8 people. We would subtract 8 off of the line of people.
Okay.
And on the time side, we would always add 10 because it was a 10-minute ride.
Okay. Very good.
And then on this one, we would just add 12.
We would subtract.
We would subtract 12 and then add 12.
Add 8.
Add 8.
8. Why did you do add 8?
Because that's how long the ride was.
Okay. So when you guys solved yours, you made a table, like a timetable, and you used math calculations. How did you use your math calculations? What did they help you with?
Oh, these were just sort of sketches and stuff to find out how much, like when you explained how to do the fractions a little bit easier, then we took those steps and wrote them out in our...
So do you remember what math strategy you used when you solved the...
Solve a number sentence.
Solve a number sentence. And did we do an easier problem first?
Yes.
Maybe guess and check.
And then applied it? Did you think that was helpful to do one that was easy
Yeah.
and then
Yes.
plug in the hard numbers first?
Yes, very much.
It was very easier to do that. It was really easier to do that because if you solve a different, if you go to a smaller problem and then you go to a bigger problem, you use the numbers from the smaller problem to figure out the bigger problem.
Okay, so would that be something you'd be able to use in other math?
Yeah.
Like if you got a problem that was
Yes.
really hard, get rid of the hard numbers and do it with easy numbers first?
Start with the small numbers.
Okay,
That's what they do.
yep, all right, good.
Like in kindergarten and first grade, they start with the small numbers. And
So,
then once they get into third and fourth grade, we get those big numbers.
okay, what did you end up with for final answer? How did you finish
On
the
Super Looper,
results?
we got the 60 total minutes. It took 48 kids to ride the Super Looper.
Okay.
And
And then on the jet coaster, it was, by our calculations, the one that finished the ride first with 48 minutes.
Okay, and you know what, you guys, you have the correct answer, very good.
Yes.
I was
So,
afraid we were going to get the wrong one.
you
Yeah,
can,
it's happened
you
again.
can work on the other side and see, you're going to find that, no, you're going to find that it's the same process.
I'm using guessing.
That's what was interesting, you know what? To do either side, you could use the same strategies for either side. Okay? So
see,
actually, to do the next side, it should be easier. You'll find it easier. Okay?